Nalini Sharma, our legal editor, is joining us with more details. Nalini, we're getting in information right now about two senior lawyers being involved in India's trial against Tahavur Rana. Dayan Krishnan, who could be representing the NIA, and then Narendra Maan, who's been appointed as a special public prosecutor. Can you give us details about these two lawyers? Srishti tells us, of course, that they're renowned criminal advocates, and that's why perhaps they've been chosen for this high-profile case.
Well, Akshita, the main challenge for Dayan Krishnan as well as Narendra Maan currently before the NIA court is essentially going to be to try and seek as much custody as possible of Tahavur Rana once he's produced before the court. So the procedure is going to be like this. He lands in Delhi, after which he will officially be placed under arrest. And within 24 hours of being placed under arrest, he has to be produced before the NIA court, where the NIA has to officially ask for his custody from the court. Now, for how many days will they be asking for the custody? And because they would definitely want to question him to decide what the trial and their prosecution case should look like during the trial. The trial is still a few steps ahead. So the main issue for them is going to be seeking his custody and for how long they want to seek his custody. Let me also get you the visuals. The corridor that you see behind me right now is where the NIA court actually leads to. And this is, of course, a high security court. There are no reporters allowed because there are only in-camera proceedings that go on in this court. And on the other side behind me, you can actually see the amount of security personnel that are deployed inside the Patiala House court right now. Yeah. These are the visuals that we are getting from inside, which leads us to believe that there might be a slight possibility that he might in fact be produced physically before the court, or at least from their end, they are taking in the precautions to ensure that there are security measures in place in case he needs to be produced physically, because like you know, with virtual hearings, there are several times when there are a lot of technical issues due to which the proceedings cannot be conducted. Another important thing that we know right now is that Tahavur Rana is going to be likely represented by a lawyer, but who that lawyer is going to be and what kind of defense that they are going to face, especially at a stage of custody, is something we have to wait and watch out for. Even at the gate over here, you can see the high level of security that is already deployed here. They are hopeful that he might be produced physically over here, where the NIA might be asking for their custody. It remains to be seen how the things develop as the day progresses. But even the police officials here that we've tried speaking to, they've said that they're still waiting for his arrival, which means that either the finer aspects of exactly what the NIA's plan is going to be is still up for grabs,